Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap or double tap to shake the iPhone on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on touch. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on back tap. In here, tap on double tap or triple tap, and then tap on shake. Now when you want to perform a shake action without actually shaking the phone, you can simply just double tap at the back of the iPhone, and this will trigger the iPhone to shake without you having to actually shake the iPhone. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.